How to clear Samsung keyboard cache on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom. From here, tap on General, Management. Then go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Reset to default settings. From here, tap on Clear Cache. Then tap on Clear. Now so here, some additional cache data may remain. You can clear in Settings, App, Samsung Keyboard, Storage, and then tapping Clear Cache. So tap on Clear. So again, it said that if you want to clear further cache, we go into Settings, and then Apps. Then in here, we can search for Samsung Keyboard. Maybe just type in keyboard, will be easier. So I'm just going to show system apps as well. So keyboard, there it is, Samsung Keyboard. And then we go down and tap on storage, and then clear cache from here. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.